Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial on Ansys. Into today's tutorial, we'll be doing material assigning to an existing part. As you know, I have already designed a part called clamp in Ansys. So we are going to assign some material, maybe steel or anything, as you wish, to the already made design. So let's start with the process. It's very simple in 3-4 steps. We'll do it very easy. So what we can do is just go to open and locate your file. So my file is this one. Open. So our part is here. This is our part. So after that, we can do one thing is we can do we can go for static structural again, and you see there are two trees of your project schematic. One is my previous, which has the model, and one is the new one. So we are going to name it problem. So this new one has got no geometry, and further it has nothing inside. Just had engineering data. Now what we can do is just click and drag to this one. So your geometry from here came to this geometry, and you can see this geometry is done. You don't need to do any more stuff here. So once you are done, we'll create a new material. So for that, just double click engineering data. So to create a new material, you just go to engineering data, this window, and you see click here to add new material. So just click there, and you see there are 1 to 3 rows already, and we are going to create a new row here. So we are going to add steel, and we are new data. So as soon as you add the new material, you'll get a new window called properties of outline row, that is steel. So what we can do is we can expand the physical properties from here, and we can add density by double clicking it, and also expand the linear elastic, and add the isotropic elasticity by double clicking it. Next, isotropic elasticity is done. So we are going to assign the values over here now. So what we can do is we need the value of 8100 for density. So just type in 8100, and the unit will be kilogram per meter cube, right? Perfect. also the Young's modulus value will be somewhere around 1.9 E plus 11 pascals, right? Poisson's ratio will be 0.27, and add tensile strength and put the value of 2.1 E plus 11. Signing all the values, so you go back to Ansys and click on your model. So it's gonna open the another window, and from there see your project. It's gonna open your model, so basically the clamp. So clamp is here, and to assign the the material that we have made, we can go to properties, details of solid, and from there you can change the material. So it's very easy, nothing complicated. And this is all it in this video. I hope you guys like it, and if you have any doubts, feel free to comment down below, and please like this video, share it with your friends. That's it for this video. See you in the next one very soon. Thank you so much, and peace.